Nagiinan ko dyan. Bait kayo niyan.
Miming!
Ganda ng ano.
Magapot ka magaling sa iyo.
I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boys.
Huwag lang. Huwag lang.
Says to me, I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home but still feel like a guest. And if I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. And maybe I'll just cry a little less. Tension, headaches always get to me.
Yan, good.
Alo na, o may dala akong super.
Buti mo yan.
Me out 'cause I'm bursting at the seams. I I guess I never know what's good for me.